Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? This is your boy. I don't know. I might cut that out. I might cut that intro out. I don't know. Anyway, I am bringing you a video today to show you my new lights in the background. You can see them on. That's only 3 of the lights. Now, I posted on Twitter the other day that I was going to do a review and unboxing of the LED RGB BBC lights. So here I am. So these lights are from a company or person called Tom Shine. So Tom Shine, I bought them on Amazon and they were ridiculously cheap. So I was kind of expecting them not to be as good as they are, because if you look in the background, they're pretty cool. Like, that's just 3 lights. They come in packs of 6, so I got 12. So I've only set up 3 at the moment, and I'll tell you why in just a second. But basically, I just want to show you what's in the box and what you get and what they look like when they're on. Of course, you can see behind me when they're on. So basically, let's open up the box. It's quite simple. It's quite straightforward. You get your 6 lights, 2 remotes, which I think is very good because 1 remote actually works them all. You then get some sticky, so double-sided sticky backs, so you can actually stick the lights on. Of course, these are the lights. So let's simply twist and pull to get them out. So this is why I only have 3 up and running. Literally, that is the reason. Because each separate unit takes 3 AAA batteries, each one. So you've got 6. So that's 18 batteries. It's a lot of batteries. I've got 12. So I've got to find 36 AAA batteries to be able to use them all. I'm probably not going to use all of the lights because they are quite bright and there's a number of settings, etc. that you can have on them. So I'm probably not going to actually use many more, probably just use the 6. So these can be activated by the remotes. So you get 2 brand new remotes, 1 there and 1 there. I can only imagine that they give you 2 just because there's 6 lights, so 3 and 3, or if they're spread out in different rooms. So it's a good idea. I actually like the fact that there's a spare, because you can put them into a different room, in your kitchen, wherever you like really, and turn them on with the remote, with the second remote, not have to take the same remote down. So technically now I've got 4 remotes, so I can do 4 rooms. Oh, nearly dropped it. But you can also turn them on by clicking in. This one obviously hasn't got a battery in it, but you can just click the light and it will come on and off. Of course, you won't have access to the different modes, which I'll show you in a second, but it's actually really easy to use. It's just a simple controller. You've got fade, strobe and smooth. So let's just give you a sneak preview of what they all look like. So that is, I believe, strobe. This is fade. I'll just have to do that one as well. No. So fade is sort of like a dulling of colours. You can see it just fading and coming back to light. This is smooth. So smooth just basically transitions through very nicely through the different lights. You can obviously make it brighter, duller, brighter. You can then just set it as flash. Of course, to get them all to be different colours, which I did kind of with the strobe, is it going to work? Yep. I had to literally set each one individually, so just point it at one, which is really good. What I like about it is you can literally, so if I wanted to just turn off that one, turn it on, it's perfect. So you literally just point at the one. it doesn't just like stretch out, so you can actually point and change the effects or the colours. So you've got these standard colour sets. It's just a standard RGB remote. It works well. It's very good. I haven't actually used the sticky back tape at the moment because there's nowhere I've actually needed to stick. So I've just sat those, so literally like this, just sat them behind the items on the shelf. So you can't see them. So you can see there I have my PlayStation 1, which was given to me by Matty, which I appreciate. Thank you very much, Matt. And also underneath I've got a few more shelves that haven't got the lights on at the moment. So I think I'm going to do some at the bottom, some at the top, and then some behind my TV or my PC monitors, just to light up the room a little bit. And it's going to look quite cool on stream. Yeah, so let's show you what it looks like now without my light. So let me just turn. There we go. You can see the brightness. I'm going to move out of your way so you can see it in full. So as you can see, they are bright. For such small items, they are really, really bright. They work absolutely fantastic. No questions asked. They're probably the best buy I have ever had on Amazon. I wasn't expecting them to actually work very well, and they work fantastic. I don't know what about battery life at the moment. There is obviously specs on battery life and etc. But I'm going to make up my own mind with that. I'm going to give it a test, just kind of see how long I'd get out of it on a daily use. I'm not going to leave them on all the time, because of course you don't need them on all the time unless it's a room that's used regularly. But I recommend these definitely for any game room. If you're getting a games room going, then I definitely recommend these. They're very cheap and very easy to use. I also recommend them maybe for a kitchen, underneath your cupboards or worktops, etc. It will give a good lighting effect, and obviously with the sticky tape, it's easy to install. So yeah, so overall they have a massive thumbs up from me. Tom Shine, go and visit them. You can go and see them on Twitter. I think they've got a YouTube as well, I'm not too sure. But yeah, type in Amazon, Tom Shine RGB lights. The link will be in the description for the lights. I'm not sponsored by these, so this is not a biased review. I am absolutely not sponsored or haven't been asked to do this review. This is just something that I bought because when I posted the picture on Twitter of my new games room, the way I've set it up, I was missing those lights. And I had a reel of lights, the strips, and they wouldn't work properly. So I went for the next best thing and I got these. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Do not forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell. Do not forget to say hello in the chat, in the comments. Say hello to me, talk to me. But no, honestly, thank you guys for watching the video. There'll be a lot more videos coming out. You've probably seen that my channel is very active now. I'm active on Twitter as well. It's EK1 Gaming on Twitter. So thank you guys, take care, and I'll see you all in the next video. Yeah.